Hello friends, today I have come with the video in which we will do how to represent a given number with the help of indices. In that we will take first number when the index of the number is integer numbers. So let us begin. Indices form, let us do the basic part of it. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means the product of 6 2's can be written as in the indices form 2 raised to 6. This is one way of presenting 2 6 times number in 2 raised to 6 form, where 2 is base and 6 is index. Since we are doing this in a product form and indices form, let us learn few formulas based on this which we have studied in our previous class. So indices law we are going to do. First one we have the two indices with equal base with multiple sign can be written as a raised to x plus y, that is a raised to x into a raised to y equals to a raised to x plus y. When the base are same with multiple sign, the index get added. Second one, if a raised to x divided by a raised to y, that means base are same with division sign, then the index gets subtracted. So you can get it, as you know, the a raised to x division sign a raised to y can be written as a raised to x upon a raised to y, which also can be taken it as formula a raised to x minus y. Here you may get answer as negative or positive, that will depend on whether x and y which one is greater. So for positive result, if the x is greater than y, then a raised to x minus y, and if y is greater than x, then we write down 1 upon a raised to y minus x. In both the case you will get positive index. Next formula we have learned as if base raised to index, that is a raised to x raised to y can be written as a raised to x into x, a raised to x into y. That means if index raised to index is there, both the index get multiplied. Next one, now if you have been given a number with negative index and you want in positive, so what you'll do it, for example a raised to minus x which is equals to 1 upon a raised to x, or if it is given 1 upon a raised to minus x, which you can convert by getting it in the numerator as plus, which will be equals to a raised to x. So let us go for the next one. If the base are different with the multiple sign and they have index common, then we can open the bracket, we will get as a raised to x into b raised to x. That means in a bracket a into b raised to x will give you a raised to x multiplied by b raised to x. Next one, same way for division applicable, a upon b whole raised to x equals to a raised to x upon b raised to x. Similarly, if a upon b raised to minus x, just like a raised to minus x what it was given, same method applied will give you b upon a raised to x. So you can change the fractions index negative also by taking reciprocal of the base and get the positive index. The best one is any base having index as 0 will give you answer as 1. So any base 2 raised to 0 1, 10 raised to 0 1. Clear? This is all basic laws which you have studied in the lower class. So I hope it is clear. By keeping this as a base, we will going to make next video. I hope you have liked this and understood well. Kindly share with your friends.